Hello and welcome to today's episode. We're going to be making some Hainanese chicken rice. Let's go shopping. The ingredients that we're going to need today are some rice, some garlic, you're going to need lettuce, a cucumber, cherry tomatoes, ginger, and chicken. Now let's get started. For the chicken, you're going to need a lot of garlic, ginger, of course your chicken breast, your rice, now for all of this garlic, half of it is going to be used for the rice and the other half is going to be used for the broth. The half that's going to be used for the rice will be crushed into a paste. And the other half, we're just going to roughly chop it. You don't have to make it look pretty. And set that aside. For your ginger, you're just going to slice it, and this is the one that's going to go into the broth. Put that in with your garlic, and the other half of the ginger, you're going to smash it into a pulp. Now set that aside. For your chicken, remove the skin and set that aside as well. Take off any excess fat. You're going to be using that for the rice. Now add some cooking oil to your pan. Make sure you have it at low to medium heat. Add your chicken skin, stir it. Now add your garlic, add your ginger, stir. Now add your rice. I'm using 2 cups. And stir that. It might stick a little bit, just use your spatula and just keep stirring. Add more coconut oil if you need to. Now, with the boiled water, you're going to add your chicken breast and add your ginger and your garlic and let it sit for 30 minutes as it's cooking with residual heat. Now I'm using a rice cooker, so I'm adding my rice into my rice cooker pot, making sure to get everything. And I'm adding a nice large pinch of salt, 3 cups of the chicken broth, and make sure that once the chicken has finished the 30 minutes of residual heat cooking, cook it again for 45 minutes. Now let's make our sauce. You're going to need lime, ginger, garlic, sugar. I'm using maple syrup. You're also going to need sesame oil and salt, and you're going to need vinegar. As well as red chilies. I'm using dried red chilies that I turned into chili oil. It looks weird because I'm using coconut oil. You're going to need half of the lime. Squeeze out the juice. Crush some ginger. Add that together into a small bowl. You're going to use like 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. You're going to crush that as well and add it to the mix. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or sugar. Depending on how spicy you want the sauce, you can add as much or as little chilies as you want. Add some salt, some chicken broth, and just mix. And it's done. Now to make our second sauce. You're going to be using 2 ladles of chicken broth. Have your pan at around medium heat. Add 1/8 of sugar, 1/8 of a cup, and 1/8 of a cup of soy sauce. Let that simmer for 5 minutes as it reduces, and it should look like this. Now plate your other sauce. Now let's make some salad. You're just going to cut the cherry tomatoes in half and put those aside. Peel the cucumber, and you're going to be cutting it diagonally. I'm removing the stems from the cilantro and just leaving them like that. Cut the lettuce in large pieces. Remove the chicken from the broth. Remove the breast from the bone and slice it. Now for your rice, you're going to be using a small bowl as a mold, and you're going to be filling it. Use your serving plate to flip the bowl, and it should come out like this. Add your chicken on top, and 1 small ladle of the chicken broth on top. Drizzle some of that sweet soy sauce. Add your salad, and you can decorate it however you'd like, and now it's ready. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And thank you again so much for watching.